Alright guys, welcome back to Rob Doing Stuff. So today we're going to cook some pulled pork. We're going to cook this pork butt and then we're going to turn it into pulled pork. And I've never tried this injection before. It's Heath Riles pork butt injection. You can buy it on his website, so I'm going to try that out. So you can mix it with either water or apple juice. We've got it mixed with some apple juice today. So we're going to inject it with this, and then we're going to put some mustard on for a binder, and then our rub. So I'll bring you in closer and show you how we do it. The thing we've got to do is get this thing trimmed up. And I like to remove most of this fat cap on here, because what I found over the time is it doesn't seem to give the meat a ton of flavor. It just is chewy. You got to pull it off anyway, so it's part of the bark you end up not having. So I trim it down pretty good. That's just how I like to do it. Other people have their opinion. They think that this gives it, fat gives it flavor and moisture, and in my experience, it's just chewy and takes away from the bark. So I trim it down about like that. And then I come over to this side, and anything that's kind of a hard fat, like that, I'll cut off there. This over here, nobody wants to eat that, so cut that off. Get down in here, get this out of here. Just like so. I think that's about good. Now we're going to inject this thing. So we just pull this up, and the way I like to do it is most people come in from this side. I like to go in this way because then you can see the different muscles. You can see it just kind of poofs up. So you can see there, so you have some here, here, and if you turn it around to this side, go in this way, and see that poof up. Well, that's why I like doing it from this side, because from the sides then I can see the individual muscles. So if you come here, you see how you can see these are separate. I just go down in. It's hard to show you on that angle, but I just go down each one of those where I can see there's a different muscle. And just inject it. Just put as much in there as you can get. Once it starts coming out, then I stop. Okay, that's about it. Maybe put a little in this back here. Okay, you can see that it's all poofed up, how much bigger it looks than it did before. So then we're just gonna come in here with a little bit of our mustard. Don't need a lot. That rub's already making it kind of sticky. Take our rub. Now this rub is a recipe off of All Recipes. It's called CC Ryder's Rib Rub. I use it on all my pork. I really like it. It's got a little bit of everything in it: paprika, chili powder, nutmeg, all kinds of stuff. But I always put a good coating of it on there. And I'll put the link to the recipe in the description of the video. But I've tried several different ones, and I like this one. It gives the meat a good bark, and it gives it a good color. So, and I like the flavor. I haven't ever tried this injection before, though. I usually use another injection. So I'm going to try that out and see if I like it. Just get a good coating of that on there. You say it's a big piece of meat, so you really can't overdo it with the rub, really. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it sit with that injection and with the rub on it overnight, and then in the morning we'll get it put out on. Alright guys, so this pulled pork set in the refrigerator overnight. Actually, I just set it out in my garage with it covered because it's cold. It's like below 33 degrees this morning. I didn't look at the exact temp, but you can see my breath. So I'm going to make this quick so I can get back inside because I don't have a jacket on. I did buy myself a new thermometer, so I'm going to try that out. It's the Inkbird, and I'll let you guys know how that works. So anyway, I'm just going to get this pork butt put on here. Set it there. In there. We're running the grill at 225, and we'll leave this thing on there till it gets to about 160, 180, then we'll wrap it. We've got competition pellets in the hopper, so just going to let that roll for a few hours and we'll be back to check on it. Okay guys, so this is hit 160. Where we're going to pull it off and wrap it up. Get this glove on, we'll pull it off and wrap it up. There. Just like so. Looking good, got good color to it. Good mark on it. What I have is about half a cup of that injection that I injected it with. I'm just going to dump that in here with it. Just going to wrap this up tight. I've tried putting it in a foil pan or wrapping it up, and I prefer it wrapped. Foil pan seems kind of, I don't know, it kind of steam it more. It gives it a good bark. we got that double wrapped in our foil. Stick that back on. Take this out. Back on there. Throw it back in there. We're just going to let it roll till it gets to about 205. Guys, so our pulled pork, we're at 203. So the throat goes in and out as smooth as can be. It's a little warm. So we're going to pull this off, give it a rest, and then we'll come back and let you take a look at it. Okay guys, our pork butt's been resting for about an hour, so we're going to unwrap it and see what we got here. Oh yeah, that looks good. Come in here and look close, you can see how the bone is pulled away. See how easy that comes out? That's how it should be when it's done. Come out nice and clean like that. Alright, let's try this out. Yeah, I like that pork injection has given it a good flavor. I like that flavor. This is what I used. This Heath Riles barbecue grilling pork injection. I really like the flavor of it. I haven't used that before. I've always done it different. But anyway, that's how we do it. If you like what you see, subscribe and like, and give us a thumbs up. We're going to make some sandwiches out of this and eat.